event na to ay para sa buong hybrid university platform leaders na siyang pumikilos at nangangarap para magkaroon ng magandang buhay.
Turning heads, yeah, I'm busting through the ceiling. Everybody said I would never make a million. Staring at the check like, look at me now.
Sobrang napakasaya na experience kasi this is the first time na magkaroon ng Gala Night sa hybrid university platform. Although, naka-experience na ako ng mga Thanksgiving, pero eto ang pinaka-great experience na nangyari sa akin simula nung nakilala ko yung hybrid university platform.
Get on your feet, it's my time, go time, show time. Get on your feet. Get on your feet. Get on your feet. I was the underdog, now I'm on top. I want the W, I ain't missing my shot. I'm in the end zone, watching the clock. I'm only heating up, I never stop. It's my time, go time, show time. Get on your feet, it's my time.
Hello everyone, this is a great experience. Thank you so much Hybrid University Platform. Thank you so much Grand Mentor Mark Lawrence Abir. Thank you so much Grand Mentor Alz Bayran. Thank you so much Grand Mentor Kel Rubiano sa napakagandang experience. Kaya sa susunod, kasama ka na. Bye-bye!
Talk, 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 all you want, but can you walk that walk when the pressure's really on? Watch me finish it with style, make the crowd go wild. Get that trophy, take a bow, make the home team proud, yeah. It's my time, go time, show time.
Sa buong HUP community, araw natin to, gabi natin to, sa lahat ng mga awardees natin ngayong gabi, congratulations sa inyo. Sobrang deserve nyo tong gabing to.
Get on your feet. Get on your feet. Get on your feet. Get on your feet. It's my time. Go time. Show time.
Good morning to all community ng HUP. Grabe, this is the night na masasaksihan na naman natin yung mga naggagandahan at mga nagwagwapuhan nating leaders for tonight sa ating masquerade party, Gala Night.
Hold up, now do what you do. Get loud, go ahead, get loose. Get down to business, tell everyone nothing's off limits. You can have anything you want. Anything you want.
Itong gabi na to ay para sa'yo. Na-excite ako, na-excite kami lahat ng GMs, sa lahat ng ating mga awardees and attendees ngayong gabi. Punong-puno ng kasiyahan at kagalakan ang mga experience mo hindi mo makakalimutan. Congratulations again, more power, and enjoy natin the rest of the night ngayong Gala Night. Power!
Anything you want. Tell everyone you can have anything you want. Anything. If you want it, you can have anything. If you want.
Hello everyone! Congratulations HUP community for successful event. And of course, bago matapos ang araw na to, ang gabing ito, gusto kong pasalamatan lahat ng mga leaders na naka-attend ngayong gabi. And of course, sa lahat ng mga top 20 na na-awardan, deserve yung lahat yan. Kaya next year, kita-kits ulit tayo. More power and God bless.
Tell everyone you can have anything you want. If you want it, you can have anything. If you want it, you can have anything you
morning! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Shepherd Palace upang ganapin ang napaka-engrande at napakagandang event under ng Hybrid University platform. So this is our gala night. So welcome kayong lahat at this is your time to shine. And binabati ko na kagad ang bawat isa na congratulations para sa inyo. Enjoy lang kayo dito at see you all at the
If you do, I'll find another way. It's hidden in the treasure, man, you'll find it. My darling, I hope to keep you smiling. There's room for everybody in the garden. I'm calling, just come and see me, darling. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Together we can share the stage. Whoa, whoa. Together we can be the change. Now is our time. Now is our time. Together we can be the change. Now is our time. I got love for my world, I care. I put my flag all up in the air. We got something we made right here. We got something we made right here. I got love for
To cut off the long story short, sabi ko kay upline, ano ba pwedeng gawin? Kasi yung mother ko nga, na-stroke. Okay, na-stroke yung mother ko. Buti na lang may produkto ng AIM Global, gumaling yung mother ko. Okay? Talagang nagsumikap ako, ginawa ko si Empowered Consumerism together with Hybrid University platform. Kasi nandito ka na eh. Kung baga alam mo yun, planchado na lahat ng sistema, gagawin mo na lang, sasabay ka na lang.
now is our time. Together we can be the change. Now is our time. Hope you never
Tuloy-tuloy lang kasi hindi naman tayo lahat perfecto. Tama ba? Ako din kasi naranasan ko talagang mapagod, di ba? Magpahinga muna. So, wag lang tayo talagang BBQ, di ba? So, maging honest lang tayo sa mga grand mentors natin.
together we can share the stage. Whoa, whoa. Together we can be the change. Now is our time.
Kaya kung ikaw ngayon leader na nag-umpisa at alam mo na meron ka ding mga leaders na gusto mo na kung ano yung achievements na meron ka, huwag kang sumuko. Huwag kang tumigil, lumaban ka. So ano pa ba yung magiging dahilan mo para panghinaan ka? Ano pa ba magiging dahilan mo para hindi mo lalong hatawin ang 2025?
The way. Whoa, whoa. Together we can share the stage. Whoa, whoa. Together we can be the change. Now is our time.
Ayan, so good morning, HUP! Excited po ba ang lahat? Yes, di ba? Talagang kitang-kita naman natin ang mga ngiti ng mga leaders natin, lalong-lalo na yung feel nila na inawardan sila, umakyat sila sa stage. Alam niyo ba, deserve yung lahat yan?
Whoa, together we can be the change. Now is our time. Now is our time. Together we can be the change. Now is our time. Hope you never get lost.
And like to greet all of the leaders, okay, and founders and top movers and shakers of HUP Hybrid University platform. Grabe, sila founders. Founder Kel, Founder Mark Lawrence, and Founder Aldrin. Congratulations for putting up the system, leading your network to greater heights. Combination ng online at offline. Grabe, hataw araw-araw siya.
Now is our time. Together we can be.
HUP, cheers for another year! Cheers! Woo!
Hope you never get lost at sea. But if you do, I help to guide your way. hope you never lose faith in me. But if you do, I'll find another way. Whoa, whoa. Together we can share the stage. Whoa, whoa. Together we can be the change. Now is our time.